Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make multi-purpose liquid soap like the one you're seeing on the screen, then stay tuned. Let's go through the chemicals used. So this is SLS dissolved in water. I dissolved it 2 hours before this video. Then this is caustic soda, also dissolved in water. This is STTP dissolved in water, and soda ash dissolved in water. Next, we have the Texaphone mixed with salt and alcohol. So today we're making 10 liters of liquid soap. We'll have the 10 liters in bucket, but I'm going to transfer into a bigger bucket for easy mixture. So I'm going to pour that into the black bucket now. Now the water is in the black bucket. I'm going to start with mixing our first chemical, which is the Nitrosol. I'm going to pour it into the black bucket and stir. So I would stir for about, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes so that it's mixed completely, dissolves very well, and that water a little bit thick. So next we're going to add the caustic soda into the mixture and stir. Once you start adding that caustic soda, the mixture becomes thicker than it was before. Next we add the soda ash. The dissolved, you can see how thick the soap is already. You can see it's no more running, it's now thicker. Next we're going to add the STTP into the mixture. And then we continue stirring. Next, we're going to go in and then add the SLS and also stir. Please, all these chemicals have been written out in the description box. Now it is so thick that I had to use my both hands to stir. Next, we're going to add the Texaphone into this mixture and then stir. Texaphone looks like honey, but please, it is not honey. You're going to keep stirring to make your mixture kind of foamy and thick. Now I'm going to add, that's the foaming booster that I'm adding into the mixture after adding the Texaphone. All this are just to make the soap foam very well. This bowl is now very small for this, so I'm going to transfer it again into a bigger bowl. I tried adding the Texaphone and salt mix, and my bucket is overflowing. So yeah, I'm going to transfer this. It can't work here again. I'm going to transfer it now. So this is me transferring into a big bowl. Let's look at how thick this mixture is. Wow. So yeah, I'm going to give this a very good stir. Once I'm done with that, I'll add every other thing, the color, perfume. That's the perfume now going in. And then I'll add the color. I'm using green color. Once I'm done with that, I'll give it a very good stir. And then I will allow the mixture sit for 1 day before transferring into my bottles. Now, so this is after 1 day. This is our soap and it is ready. So you can see how beautiful this soap is, how thick it is, also a bit transparent, even though I did not use glycerin in this soap production. My previous video on soap, I used glycerin and oil. So yeah, I'll leave the description to that other soap video. The link will be in the description, please. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And yeah, this is our beautiful soap. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.